No man will make a great leader who wants to do it all himself or get all the credit for doing it. Do your duty and a little more, and the future will take care of itself. Concentration is my motto. First, honesty, then industry, then concentration. You must capture and keep the heart of the original and superbly able made before his brain can do its best. Concentrate your energies, your thoughts, and your capital. The wise man puts all his eggs in one basket and watches the basket. Do not look for approval except for the consciousness of doing your best.